What's up guys, this is Mansi. Welcome to another video. In this video we have y equals to secant squared of pi t. We need to find out derivative of y with respect to t. Derivative of secant t is going to be secant t times tan t. Derivative of secant u, when u is the function of t, is going to be u prime times secant u times tan u. Derivative of secant to the power of nt is going to be n times secant to the power of n minus 1 t times secant t times tan t. Which will be n times secant to the power of nt times tan t. And we have secant to the power of n u, when u is the function of t. That's going to be u prime times n times secant to the power of n minus 1 u times secant u times tan u, which is going to be nu prime secant to the power of nu times tan u. So now the derivative of secant squared pi t is going to be 2 times pi times secant pi t times secant pi t times tan pi t. Which is going to be 2 times pi secant pi t times secant pi t is going to be secant squared pi t times tan pi t. So that's the final answer to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.